there, this is the collector on the corner's wife, Debbie, trying not to get sprayed. She's power washing off the 8 engine. Sorry about that. Just trying to get it cleaned up so we can put the engine in. And I'm getting sprayed. Try to move again. Oh well. I hope you can see I'm kind of moving around. Doing a good job. Maybe I had to use them on the dishes after the grandkids have been here. One thing grandkids can do is dirty a lot of dead-gum dishes. Well, there gets to be a lot of dirt and grease on stuff. But I guess if I was used, like tractors are used, I'd probably have a lot of dirt and grease on them too. Oh well. Yuck. Oh, sorry, I moved it. Just a reaction. I've been hit by him before by flying stuff. So I learned to get out of the way. Oh, yuck. Blast a little bit. I'll back up again. Actually, I need to be behind a glass wall or something. Oh, boy. Oh, God. Help. Yuck. I mean, I know I won't melt, but still, I don't need grease all over me. Yep, I got a little bit of grease on me, but oh, it's okay. Oh, that wind is horrendous out here, too. I don't reckon I'll blow away, though. Now he's into the engine. Don't look real dirty. That's pretty good, I guess. Well, looks like he's doing a pretty good job of it. And for the moment, I'm not getting flat, so that's good. Randy loves his power washer. In a time or two, I've told him to power wash off his pants outside. And they were pretty dirty. But he didn't do it. That's okay. I didn't gripe too much. Just put a bunch of dish liquid on them and scrub them. Looks like he's getting it pretty good. They're pretty cool. They flopped the motor over. Oh, I get closer, but I don't want to get squirted too much. Oh yeah, that's looking good. He's doing a good job. Oh, now he's yeah, that's pretty yucky. Dirt dauber nest, and there was a mouse nest in it. It looks a lot better. Too far. He's just, oh, it's in the way now. There we go. Yeah, he likes to, like I said, he likes to power wash. Stand still long enough, he'll power wash you. Looking good. If I say so myself, and I'm saying so. Just more hunks of grease to get through. Oh yeah, sweet, 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 sweet. Look at him. Oh, he's getting that doohickey, whatever it is. I used to know a lot more about stuff until we had our sons, and then they took over helping their dad. So I didn't have to help as much. But my daddy was a mechanic, so I did know my Phillips from my straight screwdriver. My daddy had an Oliver and a Ford tractor. I liked the Ford tractor better because it had a wide front end. I don't know, I just like the tractors with the lights running better. I guess because they drive more like a car. I don't like the tractors running as much. Oh, he's getting, oh, he got loose. Uh-oh, I better move over a little. There we go. He looks like he's getting it pretty good. Getting all the holes and all the spots. And I'm staying back where I don't get squirted. Yay! Oh, I thought he was done. I think he found another spot. One thing about power washing, you will get wet. Actually, he's not too bad. Gonna have to tell him to do a better job of squirting himself.
I clean my glasses off, like I said, I'm a one good eye. I done got all that water all over. That pressure washing, when I do, it's always a messy deal. But anyway, I got to looking in there in that housing, and there was a whole bunch of crap behind that lift pump, so I just went ahead and dropped the lift pump out of it.
Oh,
I use that other lift pump anyway.
that's what that doohickey is right there, a lift pump?
That's a lift pump right there.
Okay.
Belly pump, they call it.
Okay.
Farmall belly pump.
Okay.
It's got a little drive shaft right here.
Yeah, I see it.
That drives off the front of the transmission. I got to looking under there, and there's a seal where that deal fits. This drives this fits.
Yep.
And that seal's been leaking. See all that oil all over it? So while I'm there, I just as well take that part, go down there to the bearing place. They'll have a seal in it.
Oh, good.
You can measure that seal and come up with some kind of seal that'll fit. I went down there on that other M. It was leaking back there, and I took the seal down to the bearing place. And he found me two seals. It was the same outside diameter, the same inside diameter, but it was narrow. So I put two seals in there. And then two seals were the same thickness. It worked perfectly. But there still is some dirty and grease and stuff up in there. And what that's from is grease. Grease element right here on the end of this tube. And a little deal on the plate you can turn. You grease that. And then there's a grease element somewhere around the edge of this flywheel that you grease to grease your pilot bearing. I've already put that back cover and that flywheel off the H on here. And I cleaned this old front cover up because I'm going to look for the casting number. I can see it right there. It says C223-8. I'm going to see if it's got the same numbers as that other one. Just for curiosity. Kind of clean them frame rails out a little. There's still a lot of crap on it.
Yeah, I can see it.
What you got to do is put some kind of solvent on there, you know, brake cleaner, just whatever you use. And what I tend to use is oven cleaner that you use in a cold oven. Put it on thick places. That oven cleaner seems to work real good for that real hard crusted on grease. But it looks a little better. Yeah, I really ain't going purdy as much as I am functional. And I clean that old engine off because I'm going to pull that pan off. I don't know if you can see it.
Yep, it's bent.
That's broke.
Oh, broke.
Get a real close up on that,
Okay.
Ken, honey. Right there. Somebody's caught that on something and broke it back.
Yeah, I see
That
it.
oil pan's going. And I'll just take the oil pan off this H and put on it.
Yeah, I see.
Off the
Oh,
H
it's
engine,
broke
put on
right
that
there.
fire
I
unit
see the
engine.
breakage. I don't know if they can.
That needs changed. But I probably won't pull that oil pan till after I get it sitting in the tractor. Then I'll drop that pan off.